So guys, Rory is a huge fan of the show.
Bobby Flay!
So she's a huge fan of this show. And I decided to look online to see if Bobby Flay had a restaurant in New Jersey. And lo and behold, Bobby's Burger Palace. And that's where we're going right now. BBP, Bobby's Burger Palace.
And now we just see Bobby.
Oh, there it is right there. Let's look at the menu over here. Check it out. They got the Crunch Burger. And this is what the restaurant looks like. How nice is that? Is Bobby in the house? No, all right. Check it out, guys. Look at the cups. Bobby's Burger Palace. Scale of 1 to 10. How excited are you to be at Bobby's?
10.
Cartoon Way, show me these different sauces. So there's
Jalapeno hot sauce.
Ketchup.
ketchup, sea salt, yellow mustard, what else? Burger sauce, chipotle ketchup, and jalapeno hot sauce. I am so excited to try Bobby's Burger Palace. Are you kidding me? I got the Philly.
Philly something.
Cartoon Wife got, what'd you get?
A burger. Get out of
What
here.
kind of burger?
Go.
Or I got the regular cheeseburger right there. My mom got a burger salad.
Green chili salad.
Green chili salad. Oh, look at this. What's this over here? This is the undecided thing?
Yeah.
So this is onion rings, french fries, and different dip.
So good.
So good. Cartoon Wife, what do you think? Don't worry, I'll put a cartoon over here. What do you think?
Stop recording.
All right, stop recording. All right, guys, here we go. I'm going to dig into this thing. Very good. I got the black and white. Cartoon Wife got the Oreo. And Rory got, what did you get? Mint chocolate chip? And Rory got the mint chocolate chip. What do you think, Rory? Which is your favorite? Oh, the mint chocolate chip is Rory's favorite. Hey, Rory. Hey, Rory. When mommy's sleeping, we'll sneak back over here, okay? And we'll get more shakes. What do you think?
This is what you need.
So guys, I'm on vacation. I should not be having this.